This symposium is around European doctoral program in career guidance and counseling that was founded by European Commission the last summer, with the aim to push research in our field, career guidance and counseling. This is a joint project of higher education institutes from 15 European countries. And the main goals of our work are the following. So I have this brief presentation of the goals of our project and the most important decision that we just had, and then I invite my colleague to have their presentation. So the most important goals of our project are the following. So first of all, we have the idea to create a European research community. Create a European research community which we belong, and stimulate the person to go beyond the border of their countries and of their individual research project, fostering interdisciplinary problem-based learning and research activity. Reduce the gap between research and practice, stimulating new development in European society through this our researchers. The second is create inclusion and intercultural sensitivity, creating awareness from different economic realities in Europe and research in different countries and contexts, stimulating social inclusion and values to transform and innovate our research and our practice, and so our society. And the last one is create European doctoral program. We would like to setting up a program that now is accredited by the existing structure, but for the future we would like to create an European university consortium to sustain the project and the research in our field. So this is a joint venture between European Society for Vocational Designing and Career Counseling, but also with the Network of Innovation in Career Counseling, Guidance and Counseling Europe, NICE, that was founded also by European Commission. We have 3 boards inside this project, so we have a scientific committee, and we have Valérie Conscali from INETOP Paris, from INETOP, we have Rachel Mulvey from University of East London, we have Jérôme Rossier from the University of Lausanne, we have Rie Thompson from Harvard University, Denmark, we have Peter Weber and Johannes Kasserov from Heidelberg University. The second board, the advisory board, we have Jean-Pierre Donvalder from University of Lausanne, Maria-Eduarda Duarte, University of Lisbon, Raoul Van Esbroek as the independent expert of AVDC Executive Committee. We have Jean Guichard from INETOP Paris, Alicia Karbulova from University of Lower Silesia, Wrocław. We have Christiane Scheserman from Heidelberg University, Salvatore Storesi from University of Padova, and Annelies Bandiani from University of Amsterdam. And we have the last board, quality management and evaluation. We have diverse persons from other universities around Europe, so University of Iceland, Mannheim, Budapest, Jyväskylä, University of Kaunas, Canterbury Christ Church, University with Hazard, and University of Athens and the University of Malta. As regards our first task is create summer school. So we would like to have 3 summer schools. The first one will be in Padova this September from 15 to 20. The second will be in Paris, and Valérie is in charge with the organization of it. And the third one will be in Lausanne, and Jérôme Rossier is in charge of the organization of the third summer school. We will have students from all diverse countries around Europe, but probably we can open to other students around other international countries. We have just one request for the first summer school, for example. We created a website, and in which website you can find all information about the goals, about our task, about the mission, about the summer school, and so on. And also we have a reserved area. It's a Moodle platform where we put some material for our students to go more in depth with the arguments that we will study during the summer school. So we have the possibility to create an exchange activity between students and professors. As regards to the first summer school, we would like to create some conceptual space, so give the students, but also to the professors, space to reflect about the concept, own work, and discuss with other researchers. In the same time, we give a lot of attention to methodology to stimulate and the high-quality research, so attention to quantitative and qualitative approaches. We would like also have some food for thoughts, and the theme for this summer school is the theme of innovation. But last, we would like to create some connection between the young researchers, to have a researchers group that do together European group. So this is very important for us. The first summer school have 29 students from diverse countries. We also try to know our students with 2 questionnaires to know better their hopes and wishes, and to know their knowledge in particular as regards qualitative procedure. So we analyze this data, and Valerie probably describe you more in depth the results that we obtain, just to have one look on the results that I would like to share with you. Our students are in line with what is important also for us. So they would like to have to create a European group and stay together to create a network. They would like to experience and discuss research, a new idea on research. They would like to have training in research methodology to have a better research activity, and also have some stimulus to a better development of their other activity associated to research, so teaching and so on. We have just organized the first summer school. We created the diverse moment. We have a professor involved for qualitative analysis, and in particular we involved Jenny Bingerose for qualitative analysis, and we have one day about that, and we have one day about meta-analysis. So we have moment to share and connection, moment for methodological workshop, moment for ideas for innovation, time for building research program together. I would like to share with you another our idea. We would like to film some part of our summer school, in particular the methodological workshop, and put this material in the reserved area, in the Moodle platform, and share this knowledge that we collect with other research around Europe, but also in other country. So we share this information with others, and the person that are interested can ask us to have access to our Moodle platform to know better the qualitative and the quantitative workshop activities, and we can give free access. We would like also to spread our activities with a newsletter, but the third point, we would like to create this research group between students and follow them, so the connection between young researchers and between the senior researchers, and arrive at the end of 1 year to have article, publication and e-book, so to conclude and have an important article. But we would like also, at the end, to verify the efficacy of our summer school. So we have some verification activity. So thank you for your attention to this my little introduction, and now I would like to invite my colleague that to go more in depth to diverse points, important aspect of our project.